This is the coffee maker review. You can see I have water in the reservoir. I filled it and I've made 2 cups of coffee with it, so it makes about 3 for the size I use. You can see the buttons here. We are turning it on. While that boots up, you can see we have the milk frother. So it has a little oomph to it. I just use it here, but there is a button to detach, so you can use it handheld, which is really cool. Putting that in one-handed, I'm not even going to try. But okay, now for a cup of coffee. Open the top. I have put, this comes with this reusable coffee grounds container, so I have my coffee grounds inside that. Close. And these are the ounces. You just hit the ounce button to change it. And I'm doing hot brew. This drip out tray pulls out and this comes apart easily for cleaning, so it works really great. There is a larger one if you're making a smaller cup, and then they have this adapter here, you can see, for a K-cup. So if you're buying a K-cup, you do that in the front. So yeah, and you can see the coffee's already started to come out. There we go. But overall, I think it's great. I think it looks really nice on the counter. It's really small. It makes a few cups of coffee, so single serve, not so much. But yeah, as I say, I get more than 1 cup at a time, and I was thrilled. There's also the bold and over ice options. Yeah, and it goes from 6 to 24 ounces. Setting it up was easy. Cleaning it was easy. And here it comes. Have a good morning. I'm gonna have some coffee.